We have many types of pen tools. Let's cover the pen tool itself. Just make sure that nothing is selected. And then we can draw anything, just like this. Click, click, click to make your path. If you click and drag, you can curve it like this. Okay, if you want to control these handles or the curve, you can do that by pressing on the Command or Control on the Windows. We play with both sides like this. If you want to play with one handle, press on the Alt or Option. You can remove and add points to your path, just like this. If you hover over the point, you can remove it. If you hover over the path itself, you can add new points. And we have these tools available separately here. If you want to curve one of the points, for example, this one is not curved, you can use the Convert Point tool. Just like this, we can make this curve as well and give it these handles, which we can control as we want. Okay, let's go to the other tool. We have the Freeform tool. This one you will just draw anything that you want. This is very good when you have a pen tool and you are using Wacom tablets, especially for the artists when they want to make illustration inside the Photoshop. Let me remove this, and we are going to use the other tool, which is the Curvature tool. This tool is similar to the Curvature tool that you have in Illustrator. You just make your points and it will curve it for you, just like that. Let me add some of the color to this stroke. And then we will continue creating our path. As you can see, it bends it just like this. If you want the next line to be straight, you can double click on it. Just like this, it will be straight. You can also double click on the points like this to straighten them or to curve them. Just like this one. Let me continue creating this random shape. Yeah, it's basically just like this. Let me remove this one and create something else with this tool. Okay, so this tool makes it very easy to make curved lines and curved shape if you want to create. Now, we created this random shape. Let me remove that. Okay guys, now we'll go to the last thing. On the shape tool, we have these two tools, the direct selection tool, and also we have the path tool. With the direct selection tool, you can play with the points, and if you have a shape, it will tell you if you want to turn it to the path, because this one was the shape, it was a rectangle actually. So with the direct selection tool, just like this, you can play with the points, and also you can curve or straighten the points if you want to, using the Convert tool. This is very useful when you want to adjust your paths, and we are going to use that in our projects. The other one is the path tool. This one basically selects the whole path together. Okay guys, this will be the end of this lesson. In the next lesson, we are going to give you a homework. See you there.